What did we get?
The Belgian wheat. Right.
Okay, the thing that we got there.
With beer.
How?
नहीं वो वाला. See, the first thing we got there
Yeah.
is the first thing we got here.
Oh, the same thing.
हाँ जो पहला
German wheat.
हाँ जो पहला पिया था.
Oh, but it was much better, dude. It was much better, yeah. Anyway, yeah.
I'm going to cut this out.
Yeah, fuck. Sorry. Go for it.
तुझे कुछ करना है? Like are you?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Okay, fine.
कुछ अंदर से आएगा तो कर लूंगा.
अरे मतलब ऐसा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
It's not a. Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I'm at Downtown Pub and Brewery, South Point Mall. Second review doing the Belgian wheat. 50 cent in the club. Going crazy. I don't know what if this review is going to make it to YouTube. मुझे पता नहीं, like I don't
Yeah, fair enough.
because this is all copyrighted music. But anyway, Belgian wheat. I can see an orange. There's an orange here.
There is an
I put a
orange.
fresh orange
Yeah.
to accentuate the flavor of orange.
Yeah.
Like, I haven't never had a beer this way.
Yeah, same.
I hope it makes it better.
Well,
because-
I hope it does.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Belgian wheat is supposed to have orange, little bit of coriander, but it doesn't. It's supposed to have less than 5% ABV, but this has 6% ABV, like all the other beers.
Yeah.
Right. So 330 ml, 275 rupees. Cheers.
Cheers. Citrusy, for sure.
What is it to say?
Yeah.
I feel like the flavor is kind of similar to the German wheat.
It is, but it's not as malty as
Yeah.
that was. It's citrusy. It's like it's not. It's close, but it's not the same.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not the same.
It's also very cloudy, unfiltered, like
Yeah.
Belgian wheats are supposed to be.
Yeah, it is citrusy.
ये क्या it's ठंडा है?
नहीं, it's citrusy. Like खट्टा है.
इतना खट्टा नहीं है.
है यार खट्टा है. खट्टा है. For me, I feel like peeing.
You like peeing?
I feel like peeing. Yeah, बहुत खट्टा है. ना खट्टा खा के सुसु आती है. I don't know if you want to put that.
I mean, if you want it, I'll keep it.
You can keep it. I don't mind.
I mean, you can chug it and then, if
Yeah,
you
sure.
can finish it.
Yeah.
Wait, so are you from Gurgaon? Are you from Delhi? Where are you from?
I'm from Chandigarh.
You're from Chandigarh.
Yeah.
And you're living in Gurgaon now.
I live in Gurgaon now.
Do you miss Chandigarh?
Yeah, I miss Chandigarh a lot. It's such a nice place. But it's okay. Like, I'm okay with this place. Just the pollution and the... Yeah, fuck that shit. ये अच्छा है.
What do you say, like, the benefits of Chandigarh are over Delhi, or what is better
Yeah, I
in Delhi,
can-
Gurgaon over Chandigarh?
Oh, there are like... Okay, where do I begin? Okay.
What?
Okay, you can drive in Chandigarh, right? Like, you can literally drive. There's no traffic in Chandigarh.
Okay.
Everyone follows the traffic rules.
Okay.
And it's so planned, like you would not find random cars parked in your way. So it's so nice, number one. Number two, like there are no advertising billboards in Chandigarh. It's not allowed. So like it's so clean, and you would find like greenery everywhere,
Uh-huh.
and you would not find any advertising like out in the open.
Uh-huh.
That's very nice. And you would find parking everywhere. Like wherever you want to go, if you want to visit a market, if you want to visit someone, if you want to visit like a hospital or something, you'd always find parking, and like it would be so convenient and so nice and so well planned.
In Gurgaon, you're like, heart attack aa raha hai, hospital ki parking.
This is just everyday thing that I have to deal with in Gurgaon. And I miss it so much. Like just the peace of living in a city, you would not find here in Gurgaon. Like people are so chilled out in Chandigarh. They have time. Here in Gurgaon, like people don't have time and they just want to rush away.
But have you been to Bombay?
That's Bombay is a way, like next level. Bombay is like next level. Like, people don't have time at all. Like,
Huh.
but here in Gurgaon, it's still a level up. But Chandigarh is pretty chilled out, and like. Also, I like the fact that people are mostly jolly in Chandigarh, and people have time and they're jolly. In Gurgaon, people are just aggressive, like very aggressive, like super aggressive for no reason. Like for example,
That's what Gurgaon says. Like, compared to Gurgaon and Delhi, who's more aggressive?
I would say Gurgaon, definitely Gurgaon, because like
Delhi ऐसे ही बदनाम है.
Delhi badnaam hai, but Gurgaon mein you would find guns in people's cars, man, for no reason, like random shit. This is just a bit much, in my opinion. Like, I would not want a person to have a gun in his car or her car. यहाँ पे होती है यार.
हाँ.
And then you find random Scorpios and
But okay, like okay,
Just-
this is my understanding. In
Yeah.
Bombay, someone cuts you,
yeah,
someone किसी का headlights are on.
yeah.
In Bombay, people don't mind. People are like, oh, what an idiot. What
No,
an
no, no,
like,
that's
no,
not-
No, no. In Bombay, people are like, what an asshole. They'll honk a bit. It's not like that. That's not what happens over here. Like people from Delhi, if I'm sitting in a car and someone has the headlight on, they will, yeah, they this kya to.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
They'll stop the car. Like, dipper, niche kar,
they would stop their car right in the middle of the road, dude.
Yeah.
That's true. It's so true. It has happened.
People in Bombay don't
Yeah.
know about this. They've never experienced. I don't even know people in Bangalore. But this is, I'm just staying with, because I was into
Yeah.
acting. Everybody is from Haryana and Delhi who come to Bombay for acting.
Yeah.
And these are the stories. They're like, they'll stop in the middle of the highway. I'm like, "Man,
I've literally seen a guy with a fucking talwar, like a full-fledged sword in his car, and he stopped in the middle of the road because someone cut him. वो तलवार निकाल के बाहर आ गया. Like literally, you could see. वो गुस्से में he's put out his talwar.
Yeah, so
Like this is real.
time है सबके पास यहाँ पर. Compared to
Yeah.
Bombay, Bombay is like, listen, I have to reach.
Yeah.
I need to go 1 kilometer far. It is going to take me half an hour to go 1 kilometer because
Yeah.
Bombay is completely broken down.
Yeah.
You know, they're like, I don't have time to fight over here. Man, like, let me just go.
Literally.
Over here, they're like,
But at the same time, there's one thing that I like about this place. That in Bombay, when I was in Bombay, like I was in Andheri, and then I had a friend who was in Kolaba. Like we would rarely meet. Like he would be like,
Yeah.
कभी कोलाबा आए तो just like ping me और जिस कब तू मैं बोलता था कि तू अंधेरी आए तो मुझे बताना.
हाँ.
But यहाँ पे नोएडा में रहता है तो भी मैं हर हफ्ते जाता हूँ उससे मिलने. वो गुड़गांव आता है मुझसे मिलने. That's the thing.
yeah.
Like
But in Bombay, it's not possible. It's just traffic is very bad.
I don't know, like maybe it's just about how Dilwale are you. There's Dilwale to hain bhai Delhi ke log.
हाँ.
So I would give it to them Delhi wale man for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, we are not alcoholics. We are just doing this for you guys. क्या करना है? तू कर पाएगा?
Well, I'll try my
Shock.
best.
You again gonna get a shock.
I hope it's chilly for sure.
Chill.
Yeah.
All right.
Couldn't finish. Oh
It's
god.
also
damn.
fizzy.
Yeah.
It's fizzy. You know what? Okay, I'll be honest. This does not taste like a regular Belgian wheat beer, but it's not a bad beer.
It's not
It's
at
a
all
good beer.
bad.
It's a good beer. It won't taste like if you are used to your Bira Whites and your Ho Gardens. This is not going to taste like that. It's slightly different, but it's a good beer.
I like it. I like it as a wheat beer. Like if I compare it to Bira, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. I like it.
100 out of 100.
82.
82.
I like it.
Yeah. Very good Belgian wheat beer. I'm going to give the Downtown Belgian wheat 79 out of 100. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.